Today, we are talking about TikTok Shop, specifically how to sell and find creators that will make you 100K, 500K, even $1 million per month. And I'm going to cover exactly how to contact them, where to find them, what pricing models to use, and how to track back all of the sales to those creators on TikTok Shop. And TikTok Shop is single-handedly the biggest opportunity for brands right now. And I don't see anyone talking about it the way they should be. Just like this brand here, who just in the last 60 days of working with me is already doing $188,000 per month on TikTok Shop from complete zero. So the first thing is actually understanding why TikTok Shop is so important right now as an e-commerce brand or marketer. TikTok Shop is so new, and because nobody understands it, the barrier to entry is literally as low as it can get. Meaning, if you just follow every step I cover in this video, you will literally be ahead of 99% of other brands and marketers. So where do we actually find these creators? Here inside of TikTok Shop, I'm inside of one of our client ad accounts where they've done $167,000 in GMV. And we're going to go to affiliates. And what I'm going to do is show you how to set up your open and target collaboration where we can automate the entire process of sending out thousands of invites. So that way you don't have to manually batch them out yourself, which consumes hundreds of hours. And this is where we're going to be able to get thousands of creators to reach out to us and request a sample, where quite literally you can see this brand right here has nearly 4,000 sample requests. And then we can handpick the best quality creators and ship them our product to start getting videos on our TikTok Shop so we can generate sales. And I'm gonna show you what a few brands look like at scale so that way you can understand the full picture. So here we are inside of Ninja, who is absolutely crushing it on TikTok Shop. They did $40 million in GMV, which is insane. And they've had over 20,000 affiliates promote their products for them. And then brands like Comfort, who have generated nearly $100 million in GMV with 34,000 affiliates with 171,000 posted videos on TikTok Shop. And then like this brand here, who's worked with us, Garden Alchemy, who's done $500,000 in GMV with only 223 affiliates. And then brands like Starface, who have generated over 6 figures with 390 affiliates. I'm gonna break down exactly how you can get all of these affiliates at scale now. So I'm gonna pretend I'm a brand like RX Bar who's not on TikTok Shop, and I'm gonna do a full walkthrough of what I would do for this brand to get them up and running and onboard thousands of affiliates. We're going to go to this tool, which I've linked below this video so that way you can follow along. And once you're inside of this tool, one of the very first steps are, we're gonna go to Social Intelligence, we're going to go to Top Selling, and we're going to go to Brands. And this is where you're gonna find competitors of people selling a very similar product to you where they're already crushing it on TikTok Shop. So RX Bar, for example, is not on TikTok Shop, and some of their competitors are brands like David Protein, who sell a protein bar. So I'm gonna search up David Protein, and here they are. They've generated $2.7 million in sales, and they're crushing it on TikTok. You can see they're promoting their variety pack, their bundles to increase their AOVs, and they generated $1.3 million in sales for this product and hundreds of thousands of dollars in sales for other products. So we can see exactly what's working for them. Not only that, but we can go ahead and pull in since the start of the year to see exactly which creators are driving the most GMV for them. And what's really insightful about this is quite literally just this creator here has generated $105,000 in sales from a single video. That's insane. And the best part is they have over 3,000 affiliates and have already found a ton of qualified creators because they're a competitor brand of ours. And what we can do is we can scrape their entire competitor list and be able to offer them a better commission to start promoting our product. And what's really great is we already know these creators are crushing it for them. They know how to promote a protein bar. So all we got to do is just hit add creators to list. And we're going to name this David Protein Bar List. And it's going to automatically add all of these creators to a list so that way we can set up our AI bot to automatically reach out to them. And then what we're gonna do is we're going to go back to brands and we're gonna search up another brand in their space like Built Bar. And Built Bar's generated $13.2 million in sales on TikTok Shop, which is another competitor of RX Bar. And we can see they're also promoting variety packs and bundles to increase their AOVs, generating millions of sales for each of these. As we scroll down here, we can choose start of year. And we can see their top creators are generating hundreds of thousands of dollars per video, which is amazing. Once again, they have over 3,000 plus affiliates already promoting their product, and we're gonna add those creators to a list as well. Now, once we've gathered our list of competitors and scraped all their creators, what we're going to do is we're next going to go over exactly how the commission structures work. So here I am back in TikTok Shop. What you're going to do to set up your commissions is you're going to go to affiliates, you're going to go to open collaboration, and you're going to be able to set up your commission rate. And I'm gonna break down exactly what the commission tiers look like and what you need to offer at every stage of your GMV, so that way you know exactly what commission rates are best. And so you'll set your commission rate here, and I'm just gonna break down a few examples. Here is a brand that is in our mentorship, and I always recommend whenever you're first launching on TikTok Shop, you need to be competitive with your commission rate, so that way you can get the highest quality creators to start promoting your products initially. And then we can start tiering those down as your GMV scales. So here's a brand, Vegan Live Moz is at a 25 commission rate, which is very competitive to attract other creators. And if you're at the 0 to 20K in monthly sales, you're gonna offer a 25 to 30% commission rate to be able to attract these creators. And then once you're at 20 to 50K GMV per month, you're gonna offer 20 to 25% commission rates. And then once you're at 50 to 100K, you're gonna offer 15 to 20% commission rates. And then 100K plus GMV, we're gonna go down to 10 to 15%. And then 500K plus, we're gonna be at 5 to 10% commission rates. And just to show you, brands like Garden Alchemy, where they started with us at 0, but now they're generating multiple six figures in the last 28 days, they've now pulled down their commission rates to 12%. They are originally much higher commissions, but as you start to promote your product and you start generating GMV, and creators now trust that your product has viral potential, they know how to promote it, you don't have to offer as high of a commission rate because it's already proven. So creators are going to hop on board, and it's gonna help open up your margin because as you scale up, you can offer less commission because it's already working. And you can see this with brands like Comfort, who are now at 10% commission rates. And when you're really crushing it and generating millions of GMV per month, you can go all the way down to 5% commission rate because you really don't have to offer crazy commissions once it's already a proven product. We now have our creators on our list, and this is how we're going to start contacting them so that way we can do our outreach and get them to request our samples. And one thing I want to note, this is a full overview, but there will always be situational roadblocks that come up. And that's why I work hand in hand with my private clients every day inside of our Ads Mastery one-on-one mentorship, crafting personalized TikTok Shop growth plans like this supplement company where they went from 0 to 360K in just 30 days on TikTok Shop. And you can find more information in that link in the description. Now let's look at how we can set up our AI agent to do the outreach. So we're going to go back to our tool, and we're going to go to outreach, and we'll select my agents. And we're going to select create a new agent, and we're going to do target collaboration and message. This is where the AI agent will send out thousands of invites daily. And we can send up to 2,500 invites per day doing this. And so we're going to select this and hit continue. We're going to go to the list that we just recently created. We're gonna select our competitor list. As you can see, Built Bar has 14,000 creators, David Protein has 8,600 creators, and that might sound like a lot, but because we're sending out 2,500 invites per day, we're gonna purge through these pretty quickly. So we always need to be adding in more competitors or sister brands or similar brands to us, so that way we can constantly find the most rich environment and highest quality creators to keep adding into our invite pool. And so we'll select those lists, we'll then select continue, and you'll add in your best sellers. I always recommend only starting with your best selling products because you already know it's proven and it's gonna go hand in hand with a custom message that I've handcrafted for you that you can use. And then you can set up your shop ads commission rate. You can do this if you want to give commission whenever you're adding their creator videos into your GMV Max campaigns, or you can turn this off if you don't want to use it. It's totally up to you. But this is essentially where whenever they make their organic posts, they get commission on their organic videos. But whenever you put paid ad budgets behind those videos in your GMV Max campaigns, they'll also receive a commission if you have this turned on. And then we'll scroll down here and we're going to choose our content preference. Whether it's shoppable video or shoppable live or no preference if we're fine with both. All of these options are good, but we're gonna start with shoppable video because we need creator content. Now for the messaging, this is where a lot of people go wrong with TikTok Shop. Because so many brands are sending out hundreds of messages to the same creator pool as you, a lot of times the messaging gets lost. And most people will say something like this, hey, we love your content. We think you're a great fit for our brand. We would love for you to promote our product. And every brand is already saying the same thing, so it's very easy to get lost in the messages. We don't want to use that kind of language. We want to hype ourselves up and get creators to help us launch on TikTok Shop. So how we do that is you're going to use this message that I've already crafted for you. And it reads something like this. Hey, we're trending on TikTok. And if you're not, you can remove that part. And on Shopify, doing over $300,000 per month, you'll input your revenue numbers here. With a 4x return on ad spend, you'll replace that part with what your ROAS is. And a 80K ad budget fueling creator content that's converting like crazy. And the reason this works so well is because we're basically highlighting to these creators, hey, we're launching on TikTok Shop, we're crushing it on Shopify and other platforms, generating X amount of sales, so our product works. This helps build up the creator confidence whenever you reach out to them. And then we're getting them very excited with our ad budget because that creator then now knows that we're putting paid dollars behind their videos, which they're going to get excited because that means more views, more reach, and even more commissions. So creators are going to be jumping and being excited about requesting samples from you because they know you're crushing it elsewhere, you're just now entering TikTok Shop, and they're going to want to get behind it. And this is going to pierce through all the noise from other messages out there. And then you're gonna break down our top creators are making serious commissions and promoting, and you're going to put in your product name and break down the benefits and selling points of your product. And then we're just gonna highlight a few bullet points like you're getting free product, we're giving high commissions, creative freedom, and retainer opportunities. These are all things that creators love to hear. This is gonna take your sample request rate from very low percentages to very high percentages because now more creators are going to start accepting the sample requests. So that way we can start manually choosing the highest quality creators that we want to promote our product and ship those samples out to them. The very next step is just hitting continue. And then your AI bot will start sending out thousands of invites every single day for you automatically. So that way you don't have to spend hundreds of hours doing it yourself. And once you're sending out those thousands of invites, you'll start to see, like this brand here, they have 4,000 sample requests. And we can quite literally go in here inside of our affiliate center and see all of these creators who've now replied to this message. And this is where you can start analyzing the data and seeing which creators are the highest quality. And then you can start to approve those sample requests from the creators that you want to work with and start shipping out that product. So now we have everything set up to launch. But one thing, how are we going to track all of this data and sales back to our creators? Well, to do this, we're going to go inside of our affiliate center on TikTok Shop. And we're going to go into analytics to be able to see what videos they're posting, how well they're performing, and be able to decide whether or not we want to work with those creators again. And here we are inside of creators. And as you can see, this creator generated 7.5K in GMV, 7.1K in GMV from a single video. And so what we can do is we can say, well, they're generating nearly $10,000 in sales per video. We can then reach out to these creators by messaging them and asking them to make more content for us because their video worked very well. And we can see how much commission they're generating, the total GMV, and all of the videos that have been posted under our videos tab here. This allows us to track what products, see what videos, what creators are performing best. So that way we can decide whether or not we're going to have these creators make more content for us, which is very important because they already have the product and it's much easier to ask for a second video than to just ship out another product ourselves. And this is where you start to see those 4-to-1 ratios where you can only have 223 affiliates and generate $500,000 in GMV, and they've posted nearly 800 videos, where that's for every one affiliate we've onboarded, we've now gotten them to make 4 videos, which is pretty powerful and allows us to scale significantly on TikTok Shop, keeping our margin as tight as possible. Okay, so I just went through A to Z, a full overview on how to find TikTok Shop affiliates that make us 100K per month. And I just showed you what to do. And if you want to learn what not to do and see why most TikTok shops fail, you can check out this video I picked out for you right here. And I'll see you inside the next episode.